In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Zoom recording. To get started, open your Zoom desktop app. Once you're inside the app, look toward the top area of the window and click Hub. This is where Zoom organizes different types of content and tools, including your saved recordings. If you haven't used this section before, don't worry. Everything is laid out pretty clearly once you get in. After you open Hub, move over to the left-hand panel and click Recordings. This will take you to the section where Zoom stores the recordings connected to your account. At the top of the recordings area, you'll see different categories including cloud recordings, computer recordings, and My Notes recordings. Here, you'll want to click the category that matches the type of recording you're trying to remove. This is important because Zoom separates recordings based on where or how they were saved, so choosing the right tab helps you find the file faster. Once you select the correct category, you'll see a list of your recorded meetings. This list typically shows useful details like the meeting topic, the meeting ID, the start time, and the recording location. Take a moment to review the list carefully so you delete the correct recording. That's especially helpful if you have several meetings with similar names or multiple recordings created around the same time. When you find the recording you want to delete, hover your mouse over that recordings row. As you do that, a More Options icon will appear on the right side. Click that icon and then choose Delete from the menu. Zoom will then show a confirmation pop-up, letting you know that the recording is being permanently deleted and that the action cannot be undone. If you're absolutely sure you want to remove it, click Delete in the pop-up to confirm. After that, the recording will be deleted. And that's it. That's how to delete a Zoom recording from the Zoom desktop app. As a quick tip, before confirming deletion, make sure you no longer need the recording for reference, sharing, or backup purposes, because once it's removed, you won't be able to restore it. If you're managing multiple recordings, double-checking the meeting title and date can help prevent deleting the wrong one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.